Hello happy souls. Today I came with a recipe in which soya herb has been used. So while watching this recipe, you all will come to know what Ayurveda and modern science says about soya herb. Now let us start with introduction of this herb. English name of sowa is Indian dill, which is a aromatic herb. Its leaves and seeds are mainly used for culinary purposes. Dill leaves used as food, such as cooked with palak in some parts of India, and dill seeds are used as mouth freshener and in various food recipes. Moreover, the oil of herb and its seeds are used for medicinal purposes. It is low in calorie and provide calcium, copper, magnesium, potassium, zinc, iron and contain vitamin C and A. Both seeds and leaves of dill plant are rich in compounds with antioxidant properties. Now we will discuss about the qualities of sowa herb and its benefits which are mentioned in Ayurvedic texts. Sowa herb is lagu, means it is easy to digest and bring lightness to the body. It is penetrating, means create cleansing effect in the body. It is hot in potency, means hot quality gives therapeutic effect, usually manifesting in perspiration. It also helps relax by expanding channel and facilitating passage and movement within the body. It also enables the removal of waste from the body. It is pungent in taste and it pacifies vata and kapha dosha and increase pitta dosha. Now we'll discuss about its benefits which are mentioned in Ayurvedic texts and some authentic sources. It is useful in fever. It stimulates digestive fire and improve digestion. It is helpful in diarrhea. It is helpful in acid belching. And it is carminative in nature, means help in expelling of gas from the body, and it cures distension of stomach and prickling sensation in the anal region of child due to worm infestation. It is useful in eye problems and for early ripening of boils. It is helpful in arthritis, such as reduce pain and swelling in joints. It is helpful in respiratory problems such as cold, cough, sore throat and breathing problems. It stimulates sexual desire and menstrual flow. Moreover, it cures uterine fibroids. It stimulates breast milk and prevents nausea, indigestion, distension of stomach in female after pregnancy. This herb used with enema therapy. It helps in healing wound, in skin disorders, and induce urine and helpful in painful urination. It improves heart function and has anti-aging and anti-Helminth's activity. Anti-Helminth's activity means it reduces parasitic intestinal worms. Now we will discuss what modern science says about this herb. Scientific research and review papers have mentioned that it has antimicrobial, inflammatory, cancer, stress, ulcer, obesity, aging, protozoal, and anti-Helminth's activity. Scientific research shows that it can be helpful in diabetes, cardiovascular, female reproductive, and neurological disease, and in gastro disease too. Scientific research and review paper mention that it may improve sexual desire, bone and liver health. It is not toxic to sperm. It helps in lactation, labor and delivery and also helpful in wound healing. Let's discuss what precautions should be taken while consuming this herb. It should not be consumed in pregnancy, periods, hypothyroidism, and during surgery. It should not be consumed with anti-diabetic agent and consult to your doctor if you are on any other medication. Moreover, some people can have allergy to this herb. According to Ayurveda, overdose of this herb cause heat and burning sensation in the body and can be responsible for the worsening of gastritis. My friends, while doing academic research on this herb, I have found more animal studies than human studies. So, consult your doctor before consuming this herb for the treatment of any disease, but can be consumed as antioxidant rich food, that too in moderation. I hope you will use this recipe, and if this video has added value for you, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.